Welcome to the NX CAM session. In this session, we can see how NX power naming will help you to rename all the operations. If you are doing 200 or 500 operations in a single click, you can change or rename all the operations which are listed. First, I will show you how to install NX power naming. So NX power naming will not come with the NX by default installations. You need to go to the Siemens Post Hub site. You can see over here and you can download it from here. After downloading, you need to go to the NX software, right click on the ribbon bar in NX CAM environment, go for customize and select new item. After clicking on select new item, you will find these items. In this, you need to select new user command, drag it and keep it on ribbon bar. So after keeping this, you should not close or something to this customize tab. That should be open, and you need to right click on this user command, and if you want to change the name, you can change it to power naming. Then if you want to change the icon, go to the change icon name, browse, go to the downloads. Today I have downloaded NX power naming, so I am selecting this image. So image I have changed. Now I want to apply DLL. For that, right click again, go to the edit action. Here by default journal file will be there. You need to change the type to NX open. From here you need to browse application. You need to select this rename underscore NX underscore operations dot DLL. After clicking that, hit OK. Now close it. Click on power naming. This NX power naming pop-up window will come. First you need to set rule operation. Rule operation means how you want, what are the aspects by considering that you want to do this rule. Click on new rule, give the rule name. Here I will give testing 1, and a separator it should be mentioned, otherwise it will not go to the next level. Then here add. So before adding, you need to select the item on based on which you want to do ruling. Here I will take user input. You can select tool name, tool number, date, depending on your need. I will take user input and I will add. So here I have added, and also by default number came. I am very much happy with the number itself. I don't want this user input. If you don't want anything which you have added, then you have to go for delete. That will be removed. In number itself I want to play. Prefix I want to keep it as O. My starting number will be a 4-digit I want, so I will keep 1001 and increment of 1. Means my first operation will have number O1001. Second operation O1002, because I am keeping rule in such a way. Sometime if you want to duplicate or delete the rule, you can delete it by using this option. Now I will save. After saying, it will give message successfully it is added. Then you go back to this rename option. So whenever this is one time activity of setting this rules operation, so next session onwards, this rule will be by defaultly saved. So if I want to perform this rename activity, I need to select the group or individual operation, then go for rename, select rename, go for testing 1, and you can see this particular option, rename selected operations only. If you are doing for entire number of operations, then you should not toggle this on. If you want to have only renaming to those which you have selected, then toggle on. Right now I want for entire operations which are present, then I will ask for rename. You can see within a fraction of second these operations are renamed with whatever the rule I set. Like this, you can save your programming time by using NX CAM power naming, which is automated tool you need to add to the NX software. Thank you.